Adding HTML code to your Blogger site can help customize the design, add widgets, or embed content. Here's how to add HTML code in Blogger. Add HTML to a blog post. Log into your Blogger dashboard. Go to Posts and click on New Post or select an existing post to edit. In the post editor, switch from Compose to HTML mode. Paste your HTML code directly into the editor where you want it. Switch back to Compose mode to see how it looks, then click Publish. Add HTML to the sidebar. Go to the Layout section in your Blogger dashboard. Choose the area where you want to add HTML. Click Add the gadget and select HTML or JavaScript from the list. In the configuration box, paste your HTML code. Click Save. Edit HTML for the blocks template. Go to Theme and click Edit HTML. Modify the HTML code for customizing the overall template, such as changing header text or layout elements. Click Save to apply changes.